In this video, I am going to show you how to improve your chances of getting a higher Cash App Borrow limit and what you can do to make your account more likely to qualify. So, Cash App Borrow is a feature that lets eligible users take out a small loan directly through the app. The important thing to understand is that this feature is invitation only, which means there is no option where you can just increase your limit instantly. Cash App looks at different things about your account, like your activity, payment history, and how you use the app. But the first thing you want to do is make sure that your account is fully verified. You want to have your personal information completed and make sure that there are no restrictions on your account. Another thing that can help is using Cash App regularly. Things like receiving direct deposits, using your Cash App card for purchases, and keeping consistent activity can show that you're an active user. If you already have the borrow feature, make sure to pay your loans back on time. Your repayment history is one of the biggest factors that can affect your future eligibility and possible limit increases. Also, be careful with anyone claiming that they can unlock or increase your Cash App borrow limit for a fee. This is because there is no official service that can do this, and these are usually scams. So, while there is no guaranteed way to increase your Cash App borrow limit, keeping your account active, verified, and using Cash App responsibly can improve your chances of getting access to a higher limit. And that's how you can increase your Cash App borrow limit or improve your chances of accessing the borrow feature on your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.